Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with an update on our project in Olathe, Kansas. As you can see here, we are just deep in the middle of the excavation stage for all of our King Pier holes. We have 9 piers going on this project. We're going to put 2 on each corner of the garage. As you can see, the concrete here is all cracked and broken, so we're also going to put another pier. We're going to saw cut this concrete at the top of the driveway just to get underneath the concrete here, and put another pier there. But then we have our piers here on the corners, on the front of the house, corner of the stoop, and then right over there. Also have one right here. These ones on this part of the front of the house are going to be our deep holes for sure. So later today we are going to get everything properly formed up with plywood, make sure all the dirt walls are secure while we continue the excavation. But again, this is the biggest part of the biggest obstacle that we face on these projects is just the sheer excavation. But once that's done, as you've seen in plenty of our videos, it really takes only a couple minutes to drastically raise a footing back up to its correct level elevation. So we're going to do one last support pier underneath the chimney right here, just to keep that properly supported. It doesn't look like it's pulling out too much. You can see where it looks like it has just a bit, but there's no cracking or anything like that in the brick that would really give us a visual that there's any kind of issues. But we do want to go ahead, since it does look like it has moved at some point, just with the way that that caulk is coming out from the wall. We want to at least get a King Pier 1 underneath that, just to keep it properly supported. Just like we did on the recent job in Liberty, we had the same thing. For putting a pier underneath an object like this, you really want to do that King Pier 1, do that extra step of the 3 feet of high strength concrete, use that as the platform to install the pier and push off of. But other than that, we are still just plugging away at the excavation. We should have at least another couple days excavating, and then we'll do our first pour of concrete. Most of these holes are going to be King Pier 2 holes. Those we just go 13 inches below the footing, and then install our load-bearing steel plate King Pier and hydraulic bottle jacks on top of that load-bearing plate right underneath the footing. But for those specific piers, like the one under the chimney, and probably 2 of these front 4 are going to be King Pier 1s also, just to keep everything as structurally sound as we can. But before we do any kind of installation, we'll put our laser level up and really see what how everything is sinking, so we know exactly how much to raise it. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can see so many of our King Pier installation videos. You can see exactly what we're talking about as far as how quickly we can raise these footings back up to their correct level elevation. You can also see other foundation work we do, such as straightening leaning foundation walls, repairing cracks in the foundation with epoxy injection, polyurethane, really anything that can be done to a foundation. We have a video of it on those pages, so please take a look. It's a great watch, and it's a really good way to educate yourself on what goes into repairing a foundation, why a foundation may be failing in the first place. So if you have any potential issues you're seeing with your house, take a look at those videos. You may get an answer from just taking a look. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and you can always give us a call at 1-816-288-4373.